Imagine building a stunning website in minutes, not weeks. No code, no stress, just drag, drop, and launch. Sounds impossible? Watch this video to the end and we will show you how to do that. Are you ready? In early times, website building was all about coding, HTML, later CSS, and JavaScript. Today, websites are built with visual builders that include reusable components, color, and font schemes to create websites faster, cleaner, and more professional. And the best part, modern website builders let you create all of this without writing a single line of code. You can use website templates, design libraries, and elements so you don't have to start from scratch every single time. Think of it like building with Lego bricks, for example. You don't make the bricks yourself, you just snap them together to build whatever you want. The same idea applies to websites. Headers, hero sections, features and about sections can all be pre-built, customized, and reused. This approach not only saves time, but also keeps your design clean, consistent, and scalable. Building a fully responsive site was a problem in the past. Today, website builders help you focus on design and work seamlessly across desktop, tablet, and mobile without the extra headaches. Looking for a builder for your new website? You can try Nicepage to build websites easily using drag and drop and get results in minutes. Always start with inspiration. Sounds obvious? You'd be surprised how many people start dragging things around with no real plan. Here's a better approach. Before you even touch a builder, get inspired with designs first. You can find many ideas on platforms like Pinterest, Dribbble, or Behance. Study your competitors' websites and try to understand what works and what doesn't. Every good website is a collection of block sections stacked together. For example, hero section features services, about, call to action, etc. You can use ready-made blocks that already exist and rearrange them. Then customize text and images to match your brand. You can also change colors or fonts to your favorites, or even create your own block visually. Need testimonials? Add the block from a library. Need a contact form? It's already there. That's it. You have created the whole page in minutes, and it's all done without coding. Let's review smart web design principles. Even if you're not coding, the principles of good design still apply. Consistency, spacing, alignment, and responsiveness. Consistency means using the same fonts, colors, and styles throughout the site. As for spacing, you should have enough room between block sections and elements. Alignment. Keep things nicely aligned, and you should avoid random, almost centered disasters. Grids and snapping tools also help to keep everything aligned. Responsiveness. Always check how your design looks on different devices. You should always check how your layout adapts on tablets and phones in real time. Here's a little secret. Most pro designers don't reinvent web design principles. They reuse web components, styles, and layouts, adjusting them as needed based on client requirements. You should do that too. Modern website builders actually help enforce these web design principles automatically. Instead of fighting with a broken layout and, what's even worse, code, you can build websites faster, get client revisions easier, and have more time to enjoy your life. Code isn't going anywhere. But let's be honest, most businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs don't need a massive custom-coded website. They need something fast, great looking, and easy to update without having to call a developer every time they change something or add another button. That's where website builders absolutely shine. You can design beautiful, professional, responsive websites without studying programming for months before you start. And if you ever want to code later, website builders let you add custom HTML and CSS if needed. So give website builders like Nicepage a chance if you want to start building websites the smart way. You'll be amazed at how fast, flexible, and fun modern web design can be. Don't wait another year. Try web design today. The world needs your website. Like and subscribe to get more web design videos.